Hi everyone, and welcome to 10 minutes of twisting. Sounds crazy, but sometimes it can feel really good to get into a few twisting poses to really allow yourself to release any tension that's been building in your hips, stomach, low back, maybe even your neck, as well as move around those kind of internal organs within our abdominal system and the rest of our body to hopefully release any tension that's not serving you. So let's go ahead and start this having a seat on the mat. Sit up nice and tall, relax your shoulders. Good, raise both arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, seated twist to one side. So today I just want you to know we're always going to do both sides. So if the pose grows or it's more intense, maybe I'll have you do a specific side, but in reality, just work on the twisting to one side. Inhale, reach all the way up to the sky. Good. Exhale, seated twist to the second side. So whichever side you haven't twisted to, go ahead and twist there now. And try to relax your shoulders. Good. Inhale, raise both arms up to the sky. Good. Exhale, release both arms down. Perfect. From here, transition to tabletop, hands and knees for me, please. And I want you to go ahead and extend back through your left foot. Cross your left foot over your right foot. So you kind of have a twist here in your hips. And then just push your hips back ever so slowly into a child's pose. My butt is not touching the ground, but I can feel my legs crossed one on top of the other. Good. And then on your next exhale, come forward. Extend back through your left toes for me. Good. And then bring it in. Right toes are going to push back into the earth behind you. Good. Exhale, cross your right leg behind your left and then push back in your hips. Good. Bring it back to center. Good. Exhale, press into child's pose. Walk your hands over to the right in child's pose, taking your left hand on top of your right hand as you bring your forehead closer to the mat, releasing any tension in your low back. Good. Exhale to breathe out. Walk your hands through center over to the second side. Good. Right hand's going to cross on top of left hand this time and then fold in. On your next inhale, bring yourself back through center. Good. Rise up to tabletop. Take a cow and then take a cat. Good. And then on your next breath, bring your hands up to your hips. All right. Step your left foot forward. Bend your left knee. Good. Raise your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, place your right hand on the outside of your left thigh and then gently twist to the left for 3. Good. Maybe you tuck your back toes or you keep the top of your foot down for 2. Keep turning to the left. And then as you exhale, bend the left knee deeper. Put the right hand down. Left hand is still on left hip. Or maybe the left arm reaches all the way up to the sky. 3. Good. Open through your chest. 2. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Good. Bring your knee back. Switch, step the right foot through. Good. Inhale, bring your left arm all the way up. Right hand is on right hip. Exhale, left hand moves outside of the right thigh. Start to turn to the right. 3. Good. Feel the movement through the midline of your body. 2. And then as you exhale, lunge deeper into the knee. Put the left hand down. Raise your right arm up. 3. Good. Open up your chest. 2. Exhale, release your hand on 1. Back into tabletop pose. Now extend your left leg back just like we did before. Press to the ball of your foot. Nice work. Exhale, cross your leg over. Press back with your hips. 3. Good. Feel the sensation here. 2. Exhale, come back through center. This time, take your left knee in 3 circles. 3, 2, and then reverse the direction you just went in. 3, 2. Good job. 1 more. 1. And then do the other side for me. First through the ball of the foot, push back. Good. Exhale, crisscross those legs and then push back. 3. Good. Chest to tummy. 2. Chest to thigh. And then on 1, shift forward and then 3 circles. 3, 2, reverse. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Exhale, come to seated. Extend your left leg out, cross your right foot over your left thigh, pull your right knee in, sit up tall. Good. Keep holding your leg with both arms or extend your right arm back behind you or whichever side you're twisting on. Good. Gaze over the back shoulder. Big exhale here. And then switch. Pivoting through center, left knee is going to come in gently. Exhale as it crosses. Give it a nice hug with both arms. And then stay here or go ahead and turn with me. Nice job. Twist with me. Good. 3, 2. There you go. Exhale 1. Bring it back through center. Sink your hips forward. Scoot your hips forward. And then sink your spine down into the earth below you. Hug your knees deeply into your chest. And then rock from left to right slowly. Good. Keep the right leg, lay your left leg all the way down. Now bend your left knee, plant your foot, bump your hips to the right, re-extend your left leg, and then use your left hand to bring your leg across the body into a supine spinal twist, taking the right arm over the head as you kind of roll more to your left. Good. You're going to feel the opening here along your ribs. Now go ahead and bend your right elbow at 90 and turn your gaze right. And then repeat with me. Raise your right arm up to the sky. Look left. Good. Bend your right elbow 90. Look right. And then one more time. Inhale. Reach up with your arm. Exhale. Beautiful work. Bring your right knee back to center. Give yourself a giant hug. And then switch. Left knee is going to come in. Right leg is going to extend long on the earth. Exhale. Bend your right knee. Plant the foot. Bump your hips to the left. Good. Right hand's going to grab hold of your thigh. Start to pull to the right. And then take the left arm over the head. Gaze goes right. Feel that elongation sensation in the ribs. Good. Exhale. Bend your elbow. Open it out to the left. Good. Repeat. Inhale. Reach up. Lean right. Exhale. Bend and roll left. Oh, yes. One more time. Inhale. Reach up. Roll right. Good. Exhale. Pull down as you roll left. Beautiful. Stay here. Breathing in and out. And then on your next inhale, slowly come back to center. Give your left knee a giant hug. Good. Bring your right knee in as well. Now give your back some love. You're going to rock up and down 3 times. 3, 2, 1. Good. Sit up nice and tall. We're going to repeat the seated twist from the beginning, okay? So inhale. Bring both arms up. There you go. Sit tall with me. Exhale. Seated twist to the right. So you're going to look beyond your right shoulder. Pivot, turn, and rotate, and then tuck your chin into your chest for 3. Good. Slow down the breath here. 2. And then inhale, sweep both arms up to the sky. Exhale, seated twist to the left with me. As you exhale, look over the shoulder. Good. And then tuck the chin. 3, 2. And then bring your hands back to heart center. Close your eyes. Take a nice, tall, comfortable seat. Kind of pivot my way towards you guys. Take a big full inhale in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Good. One more time. Exhale, namaste as we bow forward. Beautiful job working through some twisting. Hopefully your spine, belly, low back, all of that jazz feels better. Thanks for practicing.